So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fill the clear bottle with water about a quarter of the way. I'll move the bottle up in a minute once I have everything in the bottle so that you can see. And the second thing we're going to do is fill it up with oil about 3/4 of the way, leaving a little bit of room at the top. And once this is poured in, we are going to let them separate. Water and oil have different densities. Oil is lighter than water, and water is more dense. Then we're going to add a few drops of food coloring. It will sit at the top of the oil until it passes through. Um, and it will pass through the oil because both the food coloring and the water are polar, so they are attracted to each other. And then once the food coloring settles at the bottom, we'll add our Alka-Seltzer tablets. And the Alka-Seltzer tablets, which are about to be added right now, will have a chemical reaction with the water. The bubbles that it creates are less dense than the water and the oil, so they will make their way to the top. It also brings a food coloring with it. You can see that it creates the lava lamp effect. When the water reaches the top, if we remember correctly, that it is denser than the oil, so it's going to want to come back down. And in turn, it creates the lava lamp effect. This chemical reaction will eventually stop because the Alka-Seltzer tablets are the limiting reactant, so the water will go back to the bottom. Thanks.